Hello my friends, I'm Kathleen Hansen and you found my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. Today we're going to do some vocal warmups for a tired or fatigued voice. I ran an all-day rehearsal yesterday and while I did use amplification, I still feel a little bit fatigued. Please note, if you're missing notes or if you're hoarse, you may need a little bit more vocal rest or you may need to check in with a doctor to get your vocal cords scoped. But other than that, if you're just a little bit tired, let's get to it. As always, take a moment to check in with your alignment and your breath to ensure optimal relaxation and support. When we're tired, sometimes we compensate by using incorrect muscles, which might lead to bad technique or even vocal injury. So it's important to get relaxed and aligned. Let's begin with some gentle freeform lip trills. Keep going with that. These are great to do kind of in the middle of your range or the middle of today's comfortable range. You really can't do too many of these. Keeping things efficient and gentle, let's move on to an NG sound. We can sing. You can hum if you'd rather. Here we go. Now let's make some gentle whimpering or creaky door sounds like We'll want to do this in head voice, and then if you feel like it, gently bring the pitch down a bit. For this next vocal warm-up, let's spend a moment focusing on an efficient sound and sing e, 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 e. This onset is neither glottal, e, 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 nor aspirate, he, he. It's balanced. This will encourage the vocal folds to close fully. Here we go. E, 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 e. Now let's sing on meow, 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 meow. Here we go. Meow, 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 meow. 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 Meow, 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 meow. warm-ups is a great time to work on skill building, but also as we're getting the mechanism kind of physically warmed up and ready to go, it's important that we don't have too much judgment. Just take a breath and do the next one. Now I'd recommend doing a few more sirens and glides. Choose your favorite sound, but starting with something semi-occluded like a v or a or a b is a great idea. Let's move on to a ha ma 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 ma. Here we go. Ha ma 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 ma. 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 Side down to vocal fry. Spending a little time on that vocal fry is an excellent way to kind of relax a tired voice as well. At this point in today's vocal warm-up, I'd like to check in with breath engagement. Let's sing on hum ma 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 like this. Hum ma 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 ma. Here we go. Hum ma 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 ma. Hum ma 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 ma. Hum ma 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 ma. I'd like to move on to a nyah, nyah, nyah sound. This doesn't need to be pretty, but we're looking for engagement and flexibility, making sure also that we're not adding tension in the neck or throat. It sounds like this. Nyah, 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 and go. Nyah, 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 nyah. Nyah, 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 nyah. Nyah, 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 nyah. Now let's do a few more free-form lip trills or any other occluded sound that feels good to you right now. Now I think it's time to open things up a bit. Let's sing on a relaxed ma or ma sound, like ma 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 ma. Here we go. Ma 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 ma. Ma 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 ma. Ma 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 ma. Ma 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 ma. our big gentle sigh down. Great job. Thank you so much for singing with me today. At this point, if you're feeling good, you might consider bumping up the intensity a bit and moving on to another vocal warm-up or vocal workout. There are some listed below, or click on one of the recommended videos, which should be somewhere right around here or here on the screen. I appreciate you, and I will see you next time.